Hello traders, if you want to get a free Forex robot that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in for MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, just check the link in the description below. All right, so now let us take a look at the Autorithm AI in this video. Starting at the top of the marketplace listing, this EA is currently listed at 299 US dollars, with the developer stating that the price will increase by $30 after every 8 purchases, eventually reaching a final price of $999. Okay, so the listing only says the listing also says that only 10 copies are available at the current price. Okay, so the developer is Zahafaze. The current version is 3.5, and the listing shows that it was updated on the 17th of August 2026. There are also 8 activations shown on the marketplace page. So now moving into the main description, the developer describes Autorithm as an advanced AI powered trading system specifically designed for MetaTrader 5. So to be clear right from the start, this is an MT5 only EA based on the information provided in the listing. The main selling point here is the use of what the developer calls 10 specialized layers, 10 specialized AI layers. So according to the listing, these layers work together to analyze market conditions, identify trading opportunities, and execute trades with what the developer describes as intelligent risk management. So let us go through those layers, because this is where most of the technical information about the EA is provided. The first layer is called Technical Analyst AI. Okay, according to the developer, it processes multiple technical indicators and oscillators to analyze momentum, overbought and oversold conditions, and potential reversal points. The second is Pattern Recognition AI, which the listing says identifies chart patterns, candlestick formations, and price structures using machine learning algorithms trained on historical market data. The third layer focuses on price action analysis. This one is described as analyzing raw price movements, support and resistance levels, and changes in market structure without relying on traditional indicators. Then there is Trend Analysis AI, which the developer says evaluates market direction, trend strength, and potential trend changes using multiple time frame data. The fifth layer is Volatility Analysis AI. According to the listing, it monitors volatility patterns and unusual market conditions and adjusts trading parameters accordingly. Okay, so the sixth is the Risk Management AI. The developer says that this layer calculates position sizes, manages stop loss levels, and applies dynamic risk controls based on current market conditions and account equity. The next layer is the News Analysis AI. Okay, so this is described as processing economic calendar events, filtering news impact levels, and adjusting trading behavior during high impact releases. All right, then we have the Time Analysis AI. All right, which looks at trading sessions, market opening and closing times, and time-based market behavior. All right, so one thing that I want to point out here is layer 9. Okay, because the developer explicitly calls it Martingale System AI. According to the listing, this layer manages position scaling, calculates additional entry points, and determines when to close the entire position sequence. So that is important information for anyone evaluating the EA, because martingale based position management can materially affect how a trading system behaves. All right, so I'm not making any assumptions beyond what the developer has stated here. The marketplace listing explicitly identifies this component as a Martingale System AI. All right, so finally we have the layer 10, which is the final decision making AI. The developer says that this layer combines the inputs from the previous layers, weighs the different signals, and then makes the final trading decision. Okay, so the listing also mentions configurable time-based trading sessions, news events filtering, and volatility protection mechanisms. Okay, so moving into the system requirements and recommendations provided, we can see that the developer lists a minimum balance of $50, supported supports for standard or ECN accounts, and minimum leverage of 1:100. The recommended broker characteristics are low spreads and reliable execution, and the specified time frame is H1. Okay, so again, these are the requirements and recommendations provided by the developer, not conditions that are independently verified. Now, one of the most important points in the listing concerns backtesting. Okay, the developer explains that MetaTrader's strategy tester does not provide internet access. Okay, so the EA cannot use live AI data during testing. Instead, the backtest uses a fixed pre-trained data set. All right, so according to the listing, this means that backtest results may appear static or identical across different parameter combinations, while live trading is required to benefit from the dynamic and adaptive AI features claimed by the developer. And to confirm what the developer said here, I actually tried backtesting this EA and I didn't get any results. You can see this is the EA Autorithm AI backtest, no results. All right, you can see 0 trades taken, 0 net profit. I even tried 2 different brokers. You can see Autorithm AI backtest results, 0 total net profit, 0 trades taken. So I tried 2 different brokers and I got the same results, no trades taken. Okay, so that is to confirm what the developer mentioned here. All right, so there isn't a conventional backtest result here that I can independently present as evidence, of an actual performance that had trades executed. All right, and importantly, the developer itself is warning viewers that the strategy tester does not replicate the AI data environment used in live trading. Okay, so this EA is presented as an MT5 trading system built around 10 AI layers covering technical analysis, pattern recognition, price action, trend, volatility, risk, news, time analysis, martingale management, and final decision making. The listing provides quite a detailed description of these components, but the actual effectiveness of those AI systems has not been independently verified in this review. Okay, because when we tried backtesting, we had 0 trades taken. Okay, so the biggest things I would pay attention to are the developer's stated Martingale component, the H1 timeframe requirement, the minimum account specifications, and the distinction between the fixed data set used in backtesting and the dynamic AI functionality claimed for live trading. So basically, based strictly on the marketplace information, this EA may be worth further investigation for traders specifically looking for an MT5 system with AI based analysis and who understand the implications of the Martingale component. But I wouldn't treat the AI description alone as proof of trading performance. Okay, as always, the EA is guaranteed to perform the same way in future. No EA, I mean. Okay, as always, no EA, no expert advisor is guaranteed to perform the same way in future market conditions, and anyone considering a system like this should conduct their own research and testing before making live trading decisions. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.